about analyzing data, right? This is the next obvious next step. You brought a lot of data in. It's really easy, as we can see. Let's look at the analysis. So the first thing is, just like Google Analytics, you actually get a bunch of stuff out of the box. More tools are doing this, which I think is fantastic, because you don't start with a blank slate. So I've actually not created any special charts here in Heap. You can see that there's already a bunch of stuff that was created for me around primarily the page views and different events. There's actually some dashboards that were created too, just to show a few things. So again, very handy. But if you want to create your own thing, we go here to the top left and do Analyze. And we get a bunch of options here in the top, depending on what we want to do. So we have usage over time, funnels, journeys, engagement, acquisition, which is handy to show you in a second. Then we have retention and influence. And all the charts are sort of built in a very similar way, where you choose your specific type of chart you're trying to build. And then down here, then you get to choose the events. Again, this only has the default events, like a session or a page view. If we look take like a session, you can add filters based on all those custom properties. Whether there's, there might be down here, if we go all the way here, right? All the things that Heap is collecting out of the box, the UTMs, the initial country, and so forth, right? Lots of things. You can, of course, group them, which is just like a breakdown. You may break down sessions by country, for example. Let's try that. And we'll do the initial country. We may compare using segments, if possible. And then we, of course, have our date range and how we want to group it by, maybe do some comparison, full days. Again, pretty standard, relatively easy, as you can see. And then down here, we get the data in some kind of line chart